Let's do this again, shall we? This is the bed. Kaya pala blue. Ang ganda. Overlooking the Imagination Garden.
And
So
don't
guys,
go wait
let's check out
until
the
the
room here.
morning. You never know when it is over. All that
Bahala
I
ng
know is
parang
till
yung
it
ulo ko, napaka-bulky.
So let us dance this night away.
So ito siya.
Our bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers.
Make sure you are
We get
subscribed.
lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker.
Masama So this
But get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter.
Good morning, guys. It's Embarkation Day. We're still here at the Jen Tanglin by Shangri-La Hotel here in Singapore. We are boarding the Disney Adventure. So if you've seen my previous vlogs, you will know that this is supposed to be a back-to-back cruise, but because of the first cruise being canceled, the May 7 to 11 cruise, we are doing the second leg of the cruise ng hindi technically back-to-back kasi we were forced to disembark the ship and then the Disney cruise team asked us to stay and not go home yet kasi nga there's a good chance na matutuloy yung kasunod na cruise. Disney Cruise called last night to tell us na pipick upin kami sa hotel namin, which is great. So, in fairness naman sa kanila, they're doing their best to reach out to the people impacted, like lahat ng mga back-to-back cruisers na kasi supposedly when you do a back-to-back cruise, pag disembark ng mga tao, dadaan ka lang ng immigration, iikot ka lang and basically you get back into the ship. But now, since lumabas nga kami nung Saturday, we had to stay in a hotel and then nag-intay kami ng confirmation kung matutuloy yung second cruise namin. So, thankfully, it is proceeding as planned. Hopefully, wala na maging aberya. Nagpe-prep na kami, nagpe-prep na si Paul. Pick-up time is 10 o'clock. It's 9:30 in the morning right now. So, we expect na susunduin kami sa lobby in a little bit. So, technically, this is a parang brand new embarkation day ulit. Let's try this again the second time around. Hopefully, maging smooth sailing na yung process. Wala na maging issue. Pagdating namin sa ship, we're gonna go direct to guest services. Magda-dining request ako about certain rotational dining kasi hindi ako nakapag-request ng private seating, hindi ako nakapag-request ng specific restaurant that I want. So, feeling ko naman pagbibigyan kami bilang back-to-back cruisers kami and they know what we've been through. So, we'll see when we get there. Pero anyway, samahan nyo kami on this new Embarkation Day vlog. Hopefully, it's gonna be much better than the previous one. Okay? I will see you there. Bye. Let's do this again, shall we? Kulang na lang pagin tayo ng red carpet,
Yes, two.
Thank you. Bye, Singapore. Sana this time makalabas kami talaga ng Singapore, di ba? Pwede na bang magsaya? Hi. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I don't know. We're going to get services? Okay. Let's do this.
Let's go.
Hi.
Yeah, so the Iron Cycle will be tomorrow, and the Royal Gathering it will be on Wednesday.
Can
Yeah, it will appear on your app.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh my God.
So we're automatically booked for those.
Appreciate it.
Okay, perfect. In fairness, automatic booking. They automatically booked us for Royal Gathering and Iron Cycle para ma-experience namin. Kailangan pa palang masipa sa unang cruise para ma-automatic booking. Okay guys, we're finding our stateroom. Ito na naman po tayong... ito nga tama. Ayun o, 12,672. 679 tayo eh. So let's find out.
Okay. 6, 7, 8.
Okay, this one.
Here, 6, 7,
Oh, this one. Okay. Okay, open. So this time, we're facing the Imagination Garden. Hindi na kami ocean view, guys. Start with the room tour. First things first, once you get to the door, ito yung hallway. And then on this door is the CR. So here, we have the sink. Ang issue dito sa sink is you have to like keep pressing kasi mawawala siya after a while. Ito yung hand soap. Ito yung towel, tissue,
That's okay for sharps.
sharps,
Which we appreciate.
sharp collector here. May sabitan dito. Ayan. For sampayan. Okay, so that's the toilet. Shower is here. So, split bathroom. Ito yung sink. This is the sink. So, hot and cold. Then a couple of face towels over here. There's a makeup remover over there. Drinkable tap water. And we have a body lotion provided. Lalagyan ng gamit. Towels. May additional towels provided over there. Tsaka yan. Basurahan. Tissue. And then this is the shower. Pasok ako para makita nyo kung gaano siya kalaki. Malaki siya. Kasya 2 tao. 3 nga kasya. Pero masikip na. Pero maluwag siya. It's a very spacious shower. And then, hatak sa inyo yung shampoo, conditioner, and body wash over here. Ito yung, ano tawag dito? Yung, tawag dyan? Shower head. Ayan. Ang baba nung nila dito. Ito meron. May sabitan sa taas. So, this one naman is the closet. So, you can see maraming shelves available. Nasa baba yung laundry bag nilang provided. And then, may malaking open na closet over here. So, as you can see, dito sa taas, wala yung life vest. Hindi siya provided. Mainly because binibigay nila, based sa explanation, yung life vest i-issue dun sa, tawag dito? Sa master drill station mo. Hindi siya provided sa room. Which I find odd. Kasi pwede naman nilang ilagay dito. Anyway, so yun yung closet. And then here, we have all of the batcha coffee and tea. Ayan, may provided silang ganyan. At saka merong coffee, ano ba to? Parang kettle. Then mga baso dito sa taas. Ayan. 4 glasses ang provided nila. And then they have the safe over here. Ayan. And then they have ref. Mas maganda yung may functioning ref no? Malamig naman. So, yung iba kasing like yung sa Disney Wish at saka sa mga newer ships sa US, yung ref nila, lang, cooler lang. So, next is the bed. So, this is the bed. This is the bed. It's a king-size bed, no? King-size to, no? O, queen lang. Queen lang pala. Ito, mga add-ons to na binili ni Paul. Hindi ito kasama. Duffy and Friends. Ang cute mo ito. Ano ba to? Parang may coin purse something. And then here, there's a camera.
Nice.
Ang cute. Testingin natin yan mamaya. May, ano to?
So ganyan yung roll siya.
Yung
Instaprint siya.
Instaprint. O, bumili na ako ng ganito dati. Ang
Nice,
cute.
nice.
May cardigan yan. And then may provided din na pillowcases. Pillowcase lang yung provided. Hindi kasama yung unan. Cute. Okay, so that's the bed. And then kasama din pala tong mga banderitas na to, guys. Okay, let's go to this section. Malaki yung TV nila, which I appreciate. Ang ganda ng TV nila. Iba yung kulay nila no ngayon, no?
Mm-hmm.
Nasa ano pala tayo? Little Mermaid
Under the
theme. Kaya pala blue. Ang ganda. I like this better. Mirror. May mga ports. May mga outlets sila. May USB-C tsaka regular USB. Para saan ba yan? Usually yun yung sa mga blower.
Hindi, anything. Basta kailangan mo lang ng
Ay, oo,
adapter na
oo, oo.
ganito.
Yan. Tapos, andito yung blow dryer nila sa ilalim.
Secret siya.
Then, may upuan. And then, drawers. Ayan, maayos yung ballpen. Yung ballpen nung nakaraan, hindi ko gusto eh. They have pens and stationery over here. Postcards. And then, yung for breakfast na request na pwede mo isabit. And then, they'll serve it to you in the morning. Wala na tong laman. Alam ko, ayun, heat protectant mat para sa mga styling irons. And this one is empty. And then this one is yung table nila, which I like kasi foldable siya.
Expand.
Fold. Yun yung expandable. Ano ba naman to? Ayan siya. So, yan. So, maganda siyang lamesa if you need to work. And then, this is the sofa. Sofa bed to. Pero hindi siya kasing comfortable nung...
Actually, malambot siya higaan.
Eto? Talaga? Nakatulog ka ba dito?
Oo, nung nag-aantay tayo,
Okay.
nung pinaalis tayo.
Nung sinipa kami sa unang cruise namin.
Diyan ako nakatulog.
Actually, malambot siya.
Malambot siya.
Okay. Nagiging sofa bed to, guys, kapag 3 kayo or up.
No, walang bang.
Bakit walang bang? Paano kung 4?
So, ibig sabihin sleep still lang ito.
Hindi, 3 to 4 lagi eh. 3 to 4 and 4 to 5. So, baka pang 2 tao
Baka
to.
na-extend yan nila natin.
Well, okay. Okay, now let's go to the best part. The balcony.
Nakalock.
Ay, open. Ayun eh. Ay, ito pala. Meron ito.
Nakalock kasi.
Kasi may child lock sila sa taas. Huwag mo nang ano to, walang bata sa atin eh, ha? Pag ina naman natin mamaya. Okay, so open. Welcome to the Imagination Garden view. So this is our view. So hindi na kami ocean view room. As you can see, we are overlooking the Imagination Garden. Yeah.
And we're close.
So we can actually watch the show without having to
Siksik over there.
without having to go down sa baba. Kasi sobrang init sa baba, guys. Sobrang init sa area na yan.
Diyan.
Hindi carry. So,
Saka super crowded.
nagiging super crowded yan, lalo na sa sail away party, sa mga shows. So, this is very convenient na dito kami matutulog. Dito kami makakanood at anytime we want. Tingnan nyo, guys. Si Mickey, yung nasa ibabaw. Yung nasa bilog. Ngayon ko lang na-notice yan. Yan, no? Tapos nakikita nyo ba yung tali na yan? Diyan ata maglalambitin si Spider-Man eh. Sa Marvel show. Ayan, di ba? Ang bongga. So we can watch over here. Nang hindi namin kailangan tumambay sa initan. Kasi super init talaga dyan sa area na yan, guys. Promise. Okay, so time check. It's now 11:20 a.m. So we're now here at the stateroom. This is probably the earliest na nakapasok kami sa stateroom namin ever. Super aga. So as you saw, sa pagbaba namin ng lobby sa hotel namin sa Gentanglin, nandun na yung taga-Disney, took our bags. Nag-wait lang kami for a couple of minutes kasi may iniintay pang ibang guests. And then, pag sakay namin, inasikaso na kami, parang you're back to back. So, pagdating namin sa port, pagbaba namin, may nag-aantay na doon na sa sumalubong sa amin. Nilagyan agad kami ng bands to indicate na back-to-back guest kami. Tapos, hiningi agad yung passport namin. So, normally, makikita nyo sa previous vlog namin, nung embarkation day, nung the first time, we had to carry our bags and bring it to parang may area kung saan dinadrop yung mga bags eh. So kami, pagbaba namin sa sasakyan, sinalubong kami, kinuha yung bags namin, parang chinek-in na kami automatically. Binigyan kami ng bags, dire-diretso kami. Walang wait, walang anything. So, we were basically parang binigyan kami ng VIP treatment. In fairness naman sa Disney, parang pinrioritize nila this time around yung mga back-to-back guests. Parang mas nauna pa kami sa concierge. So, which I really appreciate. So, naging super pleasant nung experience. Pagpasok namin sa ship, dumiretso kami sa guest services to request for booking ng Iron Cycle, and pagkasabi namin, you're automatically booked. So parang hindi na namin kailangan palang sabihin kasi lahat ng B2B guests in automatic booking nila for Iron Cycle. Basically, prioritize nila kami to make sure na we get to experience that kasi nga hindi namin na-experience nung first sailing. So, pati Royal Gathering na hindi naman namin talaga intention i-book. Pero like, we might as well experience that. Kasi binook din yun sa amin. So, Iron Cycle and Royal Gathering. So, nakakatuwa naman na in fairness naman, parang they're doing their best na bumawi kahit pa paano. So, the next thing that we need to do is we're gonna go to get dining services. Mamayang 12 o'clock pa daw magbubukas kasi 11:25 pa lang. So, para makapag-request ng dining changes kasi binook nila kami sa animator's table for tonight and nakapalo kami tonight. And I really want to experience animator's table. So, gusto kong i-rearrange yung rotational dining namin. Tapos, nilagay kami sa Navigator's Club and ayoko nun. So, like, I want a specific restaurant sa remaining 2 nights namin since yung first night nga namin is Palo. Yun, so right now, like, yun nga, it's only 11:25, so super aga pa. So like, we will probably explore the ship, kakain kung gutom na. So hopefully, this is it. So hopefully makapag-sail, hopefully wala na maging issue at sana ma-experience namin. It just sucks na nangalahati yung experience namin kasi we specifically chose 7 nights para sana hindi kami rushed sa mga gusto namin ma-experience. Pero now that we only have 3 nights, for sure, like, dire-diretso yung mga araw namin just so we are able to experience everything that we want bago kami umuwi. Ayun, anyway, magpapahinga lang kami sandali and then lalabas kami in a bit to have lunch. And then we're gonna go to dining services to request for dining changes. And then we'll see you at the Let's Set Sail party in a little bit. So guys, let's check out the Lumiere room. We're supposed to do karaoke kahapon ng gabi with Keith for my birthday sa Lubong. But it didn't happen. So, videohan ko na lang kung ano itsura niya. Ayan. Ganda ng artwork. Si Belle, be your guest. Ayan. It's time to sing. Okay. So this is the Lumiere room. Let's check out the other room. And this is the Sebastian room. So these are all in the D lounge, guys. So open this. And then there's another room over here. And this is the Sebastian room. So, yung malaking table din dito. And ayan yung TV. Ayan yung ceiling. Oh, nice artwork. Under the Sea. Little Mermaid tong, Sebastian room. And ito yung seats niya. I think this can comfortably sit like 8 people, feeling ko. Ayan. Tapos ito yung, pwede mo mag-search dito. Ito, may Disney. Ayan. Right. Ayan. Anyway, that's the Sebastian room. Then let's move on to the last one. The last one is the Muse's room. Katabi lang ng Sebastian. Let's check it out. Ito yung pinakamalaki. Okay, this one is big. Siguro kaya 15 dito. Pang party talaga siya. I'm not sure kung parehas ang price nito o mas mahal to. Ang artwork nila dito ay, this is Lion King. I think. Tama ba? I'm not sure. Okay. Hey, we're here outside. We're looking to have brunch at the Pixar Market. It's super init. Grabe, sobrang init. Nakakaloka. May pa-pizza sila dito. Ayan, Pizza Planet. They have 4 cheese pizza slice and pepperoni. Yun ang options nila. Bounce and hops for some drinks. Hi! Welcome aboard! Diyos ko, Day, Disney, palayasin nyo kami today. Kung paalisin nyo kami today, eto na yung Pixar Market. Ito na lang kami kakain. Para medyo mabilis. Ayan, Pixar Market Restaurant. So, kakagaling lang namin ng guest services to basically request for to change our rotational dining. Ang maganda dun sa group chat namin ng mga back-to-back cruisers is nag-a-updatean kami sa isa't isa like, uy, may discount dito, may ganyan. So like nag-book kami ng fireworks like reservation pero waitlisted kami. Sabi lahat daw waitlisted eh. So like I don't know kung anong mangyayari kung magkakaroon kami ng seated ng reservation kasi yung for firework, yung Lion King fireworks, merong parang area for reserved seating para maganda yung view mo. Tapos they serve like desserts for $49 ata. Only desserts, ganyan. Tapos nasa magandang location ka to view the fireworks. So, I don't know kung maibibigay sa amin kasi nga waitlisted daw lahat. Sana i-prioritize nila yung B2B. Pero if not, it's not the end of the world. Like, mapapanood pa rin naman namin yung fireworks kahit hindi kami nasa reserve area. Pero parang lang mas premium yung experience, kumbaga. Kasi this second sailing, my goal is for us to experience premium dining, premium experiences, may mga extra bayad. So we have Palo tonight. Tomorrow we'll have Mike and Sully's teppanyaki, and then the last night we'll have Palo brunch. Anyway, nakain muna kami. Kumora si Paul ng food niya. We're hungry and we can't wait to start sailing for real this time. May lunch na halo-halo. May rice na parang seafood fried rice. May white rice, pork chop, strip loin, pasta. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Paella ba yan? With fish, chicken, strips.
Breast chicken.
Ano?
Breast chicken.
Breast chicken. Tapos kumuha siya ng ano. Anong tawag dyan?
Chocolate chip cookies with ice cream.
Chocolate chip cookie with ice cream. Okay. Kain muna kami, guys. Looks so cute. Ito yung mga different beverage na lalagyan, no? Si Hey Hey. Ito, ang cute. $40 daw. Umiilaw. Paano yung battery operated?
Yeah.
Ang cute. Gusto mo yan? Bili ka? Ay, tinan mo, oh.
Yan nga eh. Kay Benedict Cumberbatch.
Pangalan yan? Kay Doctor Strange. Kay Doctor Strange. So, tingin niya.
Ito na yung time stone ba?
Ang cute! Oh my God. Time Stone, Doctor Strange. And then, ito yung Frozen na may ilaw. Ito yung binili namin ng last cruise. Si Hey Hey. Then si Tiana. May parang bamboo. And then may Ratatouille. This one is $80. Avengers Quantum
Does it have a
Encounter.
strap? No.
No.
Ang cute.
Hey, hey.
Nag-iisa na lang daw yung Hey Hey. Ayan, bumili si Paul. Bahala nang paano ni iuwi to. Napaka-bulky. Pero gusto niya daw talaga to. $18 lang with a free drink. Okay? Alright.
Let's go.
Let's go. Saan ba yan? Anong palabas ba yan?
Oh, one na. Ito yung bobo na na yung pakpak.
Funny.
Oo, yun siya yung kasi parang ng tuling eh. So,
12th floor. Okay, we're here. Okay, nandito na yung luggages namin, guys. Oh, thankfully.
Isa. Ayan.
Tama. Ba't yan? Okay.
Teka lang.
May pa-fruits sila, guys. Bakit? Nag-guilty kayo? Alas 12 pasado nyo na kami binigyan ng letter. Paprutas! Charot. Hindi. Thank you, Disney. That is thoughtful. I know hindi nyo naman gusto. So, malapit ko na kayong patawarin. Konti pa. Konting effort pa. Walang letter, walang anything. Or maybe it's because it's my birthday. I don't know. Ayan, may pa-fruits sila. Thank you. Okay, so ito yung binili ni Epsi na instant print camera. Actually, pambagat siya eh. Pero so cute. Testingin natin. Pakita ko sa inyo. Wait lang. So, ito siya. Yun yung harap. And this is the likod. Ang cute! How do you open this? Ayan, turn it on. Ayan siya. Oh, may pa-filter pa ng kulay, oh. Kulit eh. Oh, may mga effects pa siya. Ay! Merong ano. Merong Disney background. Wait. Let's take a photo together. Dali. Yay! Ayan siya, guys.
Fun.
Ang cute! Ang saya! They've provided 3 more rolls. So, matagal-tagal siyang magagamit. At saka alam ko may nabibili yung ganito sa Amazon eh. And then may strap na provided. Ayan. May cable for charging. Tsaka may manual. Noong una, hindi ko alam na may camera. Akala ko, parang ang habol ko lang is yung yung pillowcase. Tapos, hindi ko alam na may kasama palang camera. Yun pala yung nagpamahal sa kanya. Sabi ko, mahal naman niya para sa pillowcase. Tapos yun, meron palang kasamang camera. And then yun nga, meron silang kasamang ganito. Siguro pwede mo dito ilagay yung yung na-roll. Hindi, maliit eh. Si Stella Lou. Ang cute! I'm not a big fan of Duffy and Friends. Pero sa Asia talaga, Duffy and Friends is a really big Disney character. Manotice nyo yun sa Japan. Puro Duffy and Friends yung mga merch nila dun.
This cruise. My name's Lee, I'm your cruise director, and here with the help of all of our favourite friends, we're excited to be taking you on your very own magical Disney cruise. Ready?
maganda dito sa Disney Adventure. Meron silang interactive directory. Sa Deck 5, ayun yung Deck 5. Deck 5, there's the Animator's Palette, Art of Disney On Demand, Tiana's Bayou Lounge, World of Disney and World of Disney 2. Deck 6 has the Buccaneer Bar, Enchanted Summer, Guest Services, na madalas kami, Marvel Style Studio, Navigators Club, Premier Sips and Snacks, Royal Court, Spellbound, Town Square, Walt Disney Theater. Deck 7 has the Alley Cat Cafe, Batcha Coffee, Baymax Cinemas, Big Hero Arcade, D-Lounge, BBD Bobbity Boutique, Diamonds and Wishes, Disney Studio, WN Friend Shop, Edge, Smoking Area, Karaoke Rooms, Nat Geographic, Photoshop, Royal Studio, San Francisco Street, TWG, T5, and Walt Disney Theater. Deck 8 has the Andy's Toy Box, This is Oceaneer Club, Fairytale Hall, Hollywood Spotlight Club, It's a Small World Nursery, Marvel Workshop, Mickey and Minnie Captain Deck, and Walt Disney Imagineering Lab. Deck 9 has the Animator's Table, Medical Health Center, Fixed Photo Observatory. Deck 10 has Bewitching Boba and Bruce. Ito yung mga specialty, like, food, Cosmic Kebabs, Discovery Reef, Imagination Garden, Fitness Center, Garden Stage, Grandma Tala's Kitchen, Bliss Spa, Meditation Room, Mike and Sully's, Mowgli's Eatery, Palo Cafe, Palo Trattoria, Stitch Ohana Grill, Treasures Untold, Wayfinder Bar and Bay, Wayfinder Beach. Deck 11 has the Castle Collection, Garden Bar, Taverna. Deck 16 yung laundry. Maglalaba kami mamaya. Deck 17 has the Three Wishes, Adventure Vision, Bounce and Hops, Concierge Lounge, Flying Saucer Splash Zone, Market Bar, Palace Treasures, Pixar Market, Pizza Planet, Sunnyside, Toy Story. Ito na yung pinakataas eh. And then Deck 18 has the Groot Galaxy Spin, Guest Smoking Deck, Spa Suite, Infinity Bar, Infinity Pool, Iron Cycle, Marvel Landing. Ayan, sa inyo na lang, pagod na ako. And finally here. You know what we should do? Let's check out the Oceaneer Club.
Like 8.
Deck 8.
Gabi doon, bago pa.
Proceed to Deck 8, tapos go straight. Okay. Ito na ata. Okay, let's check out Oceaneer Club. Okay, so they have the same mobile web workshop over here.
Place your fingers on the scanner.
Okay. So let's see. CR. Ito yung mga CR ng pambata. Ang cute, diba?
Welcome to Andy's Toy Box.
Thank you! We're at Andy's Toy Box. Thank you. Ayun yung malalaking toys. Magic Sketches screen. Re-register sila, di ba?
I mean, that system.
Sketch a screen. Oh. Ay, city na po. Malaking pinball. Si Slinky Dog. Let's check the other one. Fairytale Hall. Ano to? Ayan na. Okay. Frozen Fun. Tap band to begin. Okay, let's check this out. Oh, no photography or video. Okay, bawal. Ah, ito yung parang rides. Sasakay ka. Ito na naman, tap band. Sige nga, tingnan mo kung gagana yan.
Hindi talaga.
Kailangan pang ba yan? Puro pambata lang. Oo nga, nag-open house pa kayo. Wala namang gumagana. Ang weird, guys. Kasi open house, pero yung mga games, pambata lang. Eh, so, syempre, pares kami adult. Puro bands lang yung ina-accept. Hindi ina-accept yung card. So, it doesn't work. Oh, there's Imagineering Lab over here. Walt Disney Imagineering Lab. So this is where you can register your kids sa Imagineering Lab. Yan, dyan magre-register. Ang cute ng pader nila, guys. So, yung walls nila are all Disney characters. This one, I think, is a small world for smaller children. This one. It's a small world nursery. Katapat lang ng Oceaneer Club. Is it currently an open house?
Yes.
Okay, I can check. Thank you. This is open. I think this one. So for small children. Ayan siya, guys. Hindi na ako mag-iikot kasi maraming batang naglalaro. Captain Steck, Mickey, and Minnie. So cute. What's on the other side? Oh. Wow. You have this. Ang cute. Disney Cruise Line. Meron silang parang salbabida dito. Cute. So, this is the playground for... Not sure what the age for this one. Pero ayan. Tigas ah. Tigas naman ito para sa bata. Kaya ba nila yan? Ang cute ang kulit ng mirror. Waving mirror. Chip and Dale. So, mga little things for kids. Ayan. So, ayan siya, guys. Cute. Ayan. Ayan siya. And you can steer a ship. Dali lang pala to eh. Nasaan yung port? Dali mo kami doon. Ayaw. Nope. Okay. Yun lang. Okay. So this is the men's changing
Yeah, this is
rooms.
male changing.
Oh, this is really nice.
Does the other side look the same?
Same.
Rainforest entrance.
And we do offer some classes for the fitness as well. We have yoga, Pilates, everything.
Oh, wow. This is the rainforest, guys.
We have the
Sauna. Uh-huh.
This is the dry one.
Okay.
This is the shower.
Shower.
The multi-level shower.
Okay. Wow.
This is still the men's area.
This is the men's area.
Okay.
But anyways, you can be here, but male cannot come here, but female can go there.
Ah, okay.
And there's the sauna room we have. This is the steam sauna.
Ooh.
This is the steam sauna that we
Wow.
have.
So like for like this one, if we availed, can we swim together?
Exactly. But you need to go that side.
Oh,
You
that's
cannot come here.
for this one. This is men only.
No,
Women
this is
only.
for the women.
Women only.
But you can go to that side as well. So
Oh.
they both can do that.
Okay.
There. You can. I can't go there.
You cannot go here normally.
Some other girl will be there, right?
Ah, okay.
So, but you can go that side to join him. And this is the heated chair.
Oh.
Chair.
Oh, yes.
It's warm.
Oh, nice.
Oh, wow.
You can check the temperature and you can up and down the temperature over here.
Okay.
And the water you can check. This
Can-
area can have it.
Is it warm?
This is the warm water, yeah.
Let's try it. Oh, okay.
Oh.
Oh.
Everything will be bubbling. And we have the shower as well over there.
Okay.
We have the same button.
See, I want.
But this one
Yun na.
is the cold one.
Ah, this is a cold one.
Yeah, you can check the water temperature. It's very cold.
Oh my god, yeah. It is
It's
cold.
It's very good for the muscle recovery.
Ah.
If you're,
well, if you once you work out.
If you want to work out or
Yeah.
anything, if you have any pain or anything,
Yeah.
always the gym people always go for the cold one, then the hot one, right? If you combine hot and cold together, all the stress that you have inside your body and the muscle, everything will go.
Right.
If the scrub that you're going to use, the scrub and all, if you have, if you
smell
take
it?
the one, it's very good.
My god, that smells so
Yeah,
good.
and this one,
Oh, this is the massage.
I think that's the massage sampler. You can try it. Thank
after
you.
that I'll show you where
Yeah.
to sign up and all.
Okay, yes.
Oh, perfect.
Oh my god. Ang sarap.
Meron ba kayong back massage? Ganyan.
Magkano yung ganito?
Yung normal price na po, for 50 minutes. Per minute po kasi nila.
Ah.
50 minutes, 190.
Grabe, medyo pricey yun.
Almost na.
Pero ang sarap. Is this also hot?
The
Hot.
one, that's the cold one.
That's the cold one. Oh.
Probably a small one. And the chair is also there, the bubbling one as well.
Oh.
So you have the dry sauna, this one, and you use the stone. You can check that.
Oh, dry
This
sauna.
is the one, the stone is there.
It smells so like
Yeah.
earthy,
So
nature.
Right? Natural, yeah.
Yeah. Oh
So
my
You
god.
can go here or you can go to that side. You can check the temperature as well over there.
Ah, okay.
It's and all everything. This one is all.
Oh,
free.
okay.
Everything
They have
is
cold
free.
towels provided
cold towel
too.
as well. On the gym also we have the cold towel.
Cold towel. Oh, okay.
So you can do one thing, you can come for the Pilates. After once you're done with the Pilates, you can come here.
Yeah.
The
Ah.
Pilates chargeable. But here in 46 you're getting for 2 days as well.
What are the other
This is
prices?
the classes.
Can I take a look at it?
Yeah, the morning classes is free for everyone. Then we have boot camp. Boot camp is basically HIIT exercise.
Oh, good luck.
Burn fat faster.
Yes. It's going to be
Secrets
very
of
same.
flatter stomach.
It's going to be same. Tomorrow I'm going to take this seminar.
This
Uh,
one is free.
This one is free. And that other day, my other colleague is going to take the seminar. It's basically going to be the same one. So if you come for the boot camp, so you don't have to come here.
Ah, okay.
If you are not interested.
What's the
for-
difference between the two? Because this one has cost. This one is free.
This one is free. This one basically no exercise, only seminar.
Ah, they
For
will just
what-
teach you.
Yeah, so I'm going to tell you for what reason you are having a visceral fat. After that, we're going to test your in body,
Mm-hmm.
what's going inside your body. We're going to test that.
And
The
but this
visual
one you'll have an
exercise.
extra exercise.
Exercise.
How long does it take?
45 minutes.
45 minutes, 8:30 in the morning.
Yes. Do all the classes.
So we're now at the gym. This is like
And we open at 6 a.m. in the morning till 10 p.m. at night. You have 2 rules for the gym. Your shoes has to be there. After you can go inside.
go inside.
And you need to sanitize your own station before and after.
Oh, this
Yes,
one.
technology, yes. It's very good and the perfect view. If you come at around 6:50 or 7:10 to 7:15, you can see the morning sunrise from here. I enjoy every day. I've got the second best house.
This looks like a nice view.
Yeah, I've got the second
where
best house in this ship. The first one is for the captain, second one is for the me.
Uh-huh.
So this one is only during classes.
Only during classes.
Okay. That was the what was that class?
This is the spinning
cycle.
classes.
Yeah,
For the boot camp also we do it here, and the slow flow yoga we do it here, and the
Okay.
Pilates we're going to use the mat, and the ring, and the foam as well.
Okay.
You should try Pilates. These are the things that you'll get
Ha-
to know.
How much is that additional cost?
Additional cost $99 for 2 people.
Ah, 99 for 2 people.
And if you have any pain in your legs or ankle or anything, we have that compression boot as well.
Ah, yeah.
The compression boot is basically used by the athletic, but here we have it. If you do it on a lane, it will cost you $200 to $300. But here, only $49, you get it for 45 minutes. Or I can give you for 1 hour as well.
You have a juice bar over here that's chargeable. But this one is all free. guys, it's almost 6 o'clock and we're about to have dinner at Palo. So pinamove ko yung Palo dinner namin. Dapat 8 o'clock pa. I had it moved to 6 o'clock para maagang matapos at saka para nagdadalawang isip kasi ako kasi ang first dinner namin ngayon, pinamove namin to Hollywood Spotlight Club. Although nakakain na kami doon ng first night, it's a really great show. So parang gusto namin ma-experience ulit. Pero depending sa level ng sipa ng pagod namin mamaya, we'll see kung a-attendan namin yun. Okay? I'll see you at Palo. Hi! I'm at Palo at 6.
Yes, absolutely. Please enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's check out the menu at Palo Trattoria and the Disney Adventure. So, we decided to go with an a la carte this time around. Hindi kami nag-fixed price. We went with a Wagyu beef. Ako, nag-Wagyu beef ako. Ano in-order mo?
Chilean sea bass.
Nag-fish siya. Ay, fish ba yun? Nag-fish siya. Ayun yung mag-steak for today. So, yun, nag-a la carte kami. Kasi, minsan lang, walang Wagyu beef dun sa, sa US cruise ships. So, dito meron. So, try natin yung Wagyu beef at saka yung side nila na pasta na wala dun sa Disney Dream na na-try namin before. So, mas marami yung menu options nila dito compared sa Palo sa Disney Dream. So, yung price fix menu kasi nila very similar lang dun sa Dream. So, sabi ko, try tayo ng ibang options para naman for variety. Yun. Okay? I'll show you once dinner is served. Happy birthday. Back in our room. Laging penguin ang first night. For some reason. Right after dinner, dumiretso kami sa World of Disney to do some shopping. Pahinga lang kami sandali and then we're gonna catch the Disney Seas the Adventure Show at 10 o'clock. Hi guys, we're now here sa Walt Disney Theater for the Seas the Adventure Show. Hindi ko na dinala yung camera ko kasi bawal din naman mag-film dito. So, I'll catch you guys after the show. Ang ganda ng Seas the Adventure Show, guys. Ang ganda, sobra. Like, it's really a must-see show. I'm bummed na hindi siya napanood ni Kit tsaka ni Anne. Pero super, super nice siya. Ang ganda. So, kakabalik lang namin sa room. Well, ako lang pala. Si Paul pumili sa guest services to inquire about something. Pero, ang ganda ng CC Adventure Show. Super nice. Can't recommend it enough. So, like, if you are going on a Disney adventure, make sure you don't miss that show. It's really good. And, I have never seen a more enthusiastic crowd. Like, sobrang hiyawan ng mga tao every time may lumalabas sa mga characters. Like, hindi ganun sa Disney Dream. Like, magaganda rin yung Broadway shows din yung sa Disney Dream, pero hindi sila ganun ka-excited pag lumalabas yung mga characters. Pero dito, grabe yung enthusiasm ng mga tao. Like, yung mga bata, as in, like, grabe yung saya nila. Like, nagsisigawan sila. Mind you, it's already 10:15 ha. 10:15 na yung show ng gabi. Pero gising na gising yung mga bata, gising na gising yung mga tao. Like, ang, ang saya ng crowd. Like, hiyawan talaga sila for every character na biglang lumalabas. So, ang ganda ng show. So, don't miss that. Anyway, quick haul lang tayo ng mga pinamili namin for our first night. So, as usual, merch haul time for today. So, the first thing that I got, well, my Anne got it for me for my birthday. Thanks, Mars. This is the Snow White atrium statue. So, hindi ko nabubuksan, pero yun yung itsura niya. Sobrang bigat. Hindi namin alam, at ang laki, hindi ko namin alam paano namin ito pagkakasyahin sa luggage namin. So, malamang mag-a-add kami ng additional luggage for this. Pero nagko-collect kasi ako ng mga atrium statue. So, binili ko yung sa Disney Dream na si Donald Duck. So, ngayon naman ito, si Snow White. Snow White to, diba? Binili ni Anne, courtesy of Paul. Thank you so much, Mars. Next that Paul got, si Evie. Super happy siya na available dito. So, Evie is, I think it's a towel dog. So, as you know, dito sa DCL, meron silang mga tinatawag na towel animals na every night, tinofold nila sa bed. So, eto towel dog siya. Na mahirap, this is sold out everywhere. Like, ang hirap ng availability nito. Kaya nung nakakita siya, ito yung una niyang hinanap eh. Nasa Disney 2 na store siya. So, this one is $26.99. Okay, ano pa pa? And then, we got Captain Minnie. Kasi meron na kaming Captain Mickey na binili for Cedric. So, kinukumpleto namin para sa kanya. Sabi no, huwag niyo na kami i-judge. Mahilig si Cedric sa mga stuffed toys. So, binabalik-balibag niya. So, ito, binili namin si Minnie. So, ang kulang na lang namin is si Daisy. Kasi may Donald Duck na siya na binili namin sa Hong Kong Disneyland. So, si Daisy na lang yung kulang namin. So, ayan. This one is $29.99. Mas mahal pa to kaysa sa kay Evie. Next, I got these Disney Adventure na wallet. Yan, may adventure yan. So, inaugural item siya. Ayan. So, hindi ko alam kung magkano to eh. A-update ko na. Pag nakita ko yung price, ipopost ko. Pag wala, ibig sabihin ko siya nakita. Ano siya? Coin purse na Disney Adventure inaugural merch. What else? Oh, I got this coffee cup na inaugural sailing din ng Disney Cruise, ng Disney Adventure. Cute. This is $24.99. So, ano siya? Mabigat siya eh, metal. So, I figured, kasi malagi ako nag-tea or coffee sa morning. So, I wanna be reminded by this trip. So, ayan siya. Next, I got another mug. So, this one. Disney Cruise Line. And, ayan, Disney Adventure. Kasi meron na kami nito for Dream. So, gusto ni Paul kumpletuhin yung per ship. So, ayan. So, pero, may nakita kami isa pang mug na ang ganda kasi inaugural mug siya. Dapat ito na lang bibili namin. Gusto talaga ni Paul mag-collect nung nauna namin binili sa Dream. Pero sabi ko, I really want this mug kasi it looks so nice. Ayan siya. Inaugural cup to. Inaugural mug ng Adventure. Tapos tinan niyo yung likod niya. May Marina Bay Sands. Super nice. This one is $22.99. Next, moving on to the shirts. This is what I got. Another Disney Adventure shirt. Pares kami ni Paul may ganito. This one is, magkano to? Wala na namang presyo. Hindi ako sure guys kung magkano to. Walang price. Teka, check ko kung may makikita ako sa shirt. I think it's the $34.99. $34.99 siya. So, and then Paul got this spirit jersey ng Disney Cruise Line. Ganda niya. Yan yung likod niya. Yan. This one is, I think this is $79. Kasi usually mga spirit jersey, isa lang yung presyo eh. And then, ako, pinili ko tong spirit jersey na mas manipis para hindi siya mainit. Pero this is Disney Adventure naman. So, ayan. Tapos ito. Ayan. Manipis siya, so hindi siya mainit. Tsaka malambot yung tela niya. So, this one is $9.90 pala to. Meron ako nung Disney, yung classic na white and blue na Disney Dream. So, I thought about buying the Disney Adventure na same design. Kaso, pag binili ko yun, hindi ko na ito mabibili. Mas gusto ko yung exclusive na Disney Adventure na Singapore. So, sabi ko, ito na lang. Okay lang na hindi ako kumumpleto nung spirit jerseys na yun. So, gusto ko lang every ship, meron akong spirit jersey. Not necessarily the same design, pero at least meron ako for every ship. So, this is what I got for the Disney Adventure. Yan. And then, I also got the Disney Adventure ears. So, this is very Asian yung theming nito. Cute. So, I figured I can use this at Disney Wish. Because we have an upcoming Disney Wish in a couple of months. So, I want to use this. And then more items I got is this stationery kit. $25.99. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang yung parang gusto ko lang yung pouch niya. Tapos gusto ko yung notepad. Kasi like sa office, mahilig ako sa notepad. Yung sa parang mini, parang post-its. Tapos may kasama siyang washi tape. At saka may mga pins. Parang mga, ba to? Parang, tawag dyan. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito eh. So, yung pang-ipit sa papel. Ganyan. Na iba-ibang characters. Yan. And then, for the pins, before we go to the pins, we got this magnet na Disney Adventure na nag-iisa na. As in, like, nakita ko lang tong pakalat-kalat. Tapos sabi ko dun sa crew, meron pa ba kayo? Sabi ko, where can I get this? Because I just found it. Sabi niya, I think that's the only one left. So, kahit na may something sa likod, sabi ko, binili ko na kasi naghanap talaga kami ng magnet ng Disney Adventure. So, nakita namin to, binili na namin. So, this is $7.99. Ang ganda. Oh, look. Super nice. And then, Disney pins for my collection. Of course, I got the inaugural pin, which is this. And the Disney Adventure na may yung gumagalaw si Mickey, ano. So, if you can remember, may ganito ako sa Disney Dream. So, bumili ako for the adventure. Yay, for my collection. And I got a new set of mystery pin. And this one is just exclusive to the adventure. Ito yung mga potential na pwedeng makuha. Saan ba? Nagpo-focus ba? Ayan, ito yung mga pwedeng makuha. So, buksan natin. I get 2 in each box. So, isa lang yung binili ko. Kasi actually walang Mickey eh. Meron bang Mickey? Parang hindi ko makita. Ang Mickey lang niya is yung ano, yung ano ba, yung lumang Mickey, ang pangalan nun. Steamboat Willie, hata. Ako sure. Anyway, let's open it and see kung sino nakuha natin. So, pwede kong makuha si Elsa and Anna, Moana, Stitch, Lilo and Stitch. Tapos may Lion King, Donald and Goofy, Winnie the Pooh. So, let's see. Okay, let's try open one. Ay, si Goofy tsaka si Donald Duck. I love it. I like it. Nice. I like it. Bet. Next. Let's try this. Sana hindi naman parehas, diba? Lion King. I was kind of hoping Elsa and Anna, pero this is what I got. Not bad. I like it. Perfect. Okay, and then the very last one that I got, save the best for last, is the Disney Adventure Keel Coin. So this is a collector's piece na available sa lahat ng Disney Wish class na ships. So that's Disney Adventure. Sorry sa nag-flash. Si Paul yun, nag-CR. So Keel coins are available in all Disney Wish class ships, which is the Adventure, Wish, Treasure, and Destiny. So, yun yung meron. So, ito yung Keel coin. This is $59.49. So, Legend of the Keel coin. Placing a coin on the keel of the ship at the beginning of its build is an age-old tradition which solicits good fortune for the vessel during its construction and throughout its seagoing life. Minted in the USA. So, this is what it looks like. Yan siya, guys. Ano ko ba na maganda? Ayan. And then, if you flip it over, you'll see Disney Adventure sa likod niya. Ayan. It's a collector's piece. Sana meron ito sa Disney Wish pag napunta kami. Pero it's a collector's item. Pala kong bumili nung parang book kung saan nilalagay yung mga ganito. Pero, ang ganda. Love it. Ayun lang. Ayun yung mga pinamili namin for today. Nasabi ko na ba? Paul got the Disney... Ba to? Bumili siya nung ship model na hindi ko naipakita kasi iniwan pa namin dun sa store. Kasi they will try and have it signed by the captain. So, pwede siyang pinapa-autograph namin sa captain of the ship. So, hopefully ma-signan kasi not guaranteed daw pero iniwan na namin doon. Tapos papasign. Pag na-signan, i-message na lang daw kami sa app to pick it up. So I'll let you know kapag napirmahan siya ng captain. Anyway, that's it for our merch haul for the Disney Adventure. Before I end this vlog, if you made it this far, I am going to do a little giveaway. So, I'm giving away this Disney Adventure tote that looks like this. It's super big. Malaki siya. Maganda siyang pang beach bag or I don't know, pang overnight bag. Malaki siya, guys. So, I have, like I mentioned, I have 2 of these. Kasi, nag-board yung first cruise, nabigyan ako nito. So, since this is a duplicate, ira-raffle off ko na lang sa inyo kung sinong may gusto. So, ito siya. Okay, to join the raffle, just comment down below kung what's your favorite Disney ship. Yun na lang. Kung anong Disney ship ang gusto nyo masakyan or nasakyan nyo na in the future na naging favorite nyo. Comment nyo na lang. And make sure you are subscribed para masama sa raffle for this one. So, this is open for Canada and Philippine subscribers only. For since we're based in Canada, mapapaship ko siya ng mabilis sa Canada. Pero if you're from the Philippines, kaya naman, pero ipapasabay ko siya. So, be patient lang kung sino man yung manalo. So, just comment down below kung ano yung favorite ship nyo, and then I will give this to you. Since this is the Silver Castaway Gift Club na gift na pinamimigay nila ngayon sa Disney Adventure. So, this is really good. Makapal. Malaki. So, kung gusto nyo lang naman. So, ayan. Okay. So, that's it for today's vlog for the big embarkation day of the Disney Adventure. Tomorrow, it's gonna be full of activities. We booked the Iron Cycle, guys, first thing in the morning. Like I mentioned kanina, automatically book na kami because we're from B2B. So, we got that booked. So, very excited kami bukas. Actually, ako medyo kinakabahan kasi hindi man ako mahilig sa mga ganong klaseng rides. Pero, syempre, means, it's a once hindi naman once in a lifetime, pero it's a unique experience. So, I wanna give it a try. So, tomorrow at 9 o'clock, yun yung first activity namin. So, mabibidyohan namin yung POV experience kasi may Ray-Ban sa all and yun lang yung allowed bawal ng camera, bawal ng phone. So, abangan nyo yan sa next vlog. Make sure you're subscribed para subaybayan nyo yung journey natin in the next couple of weeks in the adventure. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you've enjoyed this vlog, please like and subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you